Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Amazing Online Finds. This time I'm back with a new video. If you are new to my channel, please check out my other videos as well, and please subscribe to my channel. So this time I have ordered something from RAS Luxury. It's a skincare brand. And what I have ordered is a lip oil. So let's unbox this. So the lip oil that I have ordered, the price was 1500 rupees. So whenever there's a discount, you can get it at a discounted price. So this is the product that I ordered. It is the Super Plump Maximum Lip Oil Gloss, which also contains SPF 20 from the RAS skincare brand. And the shade that I have ordered is Raspberry Glow. So let me just read this out for you, what they have mentioned. The RAS Super Plump Maximum Lip Oil Gloss deeply hydrates lips with an instant plumping effect powered by our Hydra Lush complex. So this is a luxurious blend of 9+ botanical oils, peptides, hyaluronic acid formulated with 96% natural ingredients, and it has an added SPF 20. So this is the best part about this lip oil. And this is very nourishing. It also has avocado oils delivering deep hydration. So this is an extremely good alternative instead of lipsticks. So if you're used to apply lipsticks and lip balms, so this is all in one. You don't have to apply a SPF extra. They have also mentioned that it gives a sheer tint of color with a very high shine glossy finish and instant plumping effect. So you might have seen some beauty influencers, they overline the lips and then they make it appear bigger. So this lip oil gives you a plumping effect. This is very lightweight and it is a non-sticky formula. Price I have mentioned 1490 rupees. So if there's a discount on the RAS website, you can get a discount. So I bought this at a price of 1416 rupees. These were the added products because I ordered for the first time from their website. This is RAS Collagen Boosting Face Roller. So let's unbox this. Very nicely they have packaged everything. Looks very premium. This is very heavy. Okay, yeah, so this is the roller. Very premium product. See the logo of the skincare brand is mentioned, RAS. And look at this spikes. So this is a face roller. But I guess, looking at the spikes, yeah, they are not very spiky. It is not going to harm your skin, but you have to like roll this on your face very gently. This is a collagen boosting one. And I guess you have to take proper precautions while using this. So I got this for free because I ordered this lip oil. Let's see the other products as well. The next that we have got, this is RAS collagen boosting and firming 2% copper peptides. It also contains 2% probiotics and 1% octapeptides. So this is a serum that we have received along with this lip oil. I guess it's a sample. The price they have mentioned is 499 rupees. But again, I want to tell you, all these other products I have got along with the lip oil. I paid for this lip oil because there was this offer going on because it's a newly launched product by the RAS Skincare. And this is a cute pouch that I have received. This is very nice actually. I mean, you can carry your, some mini makeup essentials. You can also carry this in your work bag. Vistara RAS, fly the new feeling. Okay, I guess they have collaborated with the Vistara Airlines. But cute. I guess this is canvas fabric. And the last is this product. So let us see what they have mentioned. 8 years to infinity. I think it's been 8 years since the skincare brand was launched, and I have never ordered anything from their brand yet, and this was my first time. Thank you for being a part of our story. Let us see. Oh, nice. So it's like a infographic. It's like a pamphlet from an online website to 10 plus channels and stores, from 3 phase elixirs to 100 products, from a grown startup to a global brand. A strong 5 lakh RAS fam from our farms in Raipur. So I guess their main this store originated at Raipur. With love, Shubhika Sangeeta Suramya. This is their part of their journey. So these three products I have received along with this lip oil, boosting serum, a face roller. This is very premium and heavy. I guess I will use this tonight. And the pouch. So let us unbox this lip oil, the product that I actually ordered. Packaging is quite nice though. Okay, so this is the product. Super Plump Amazing Lip Oil Gloss. Raspberry Glow. Okay, so this is the applicator, a dough shaped applicator, and this is how the color looks like. Very pretty. I guess the product is not much. like in quantity. But yeah, so let me know in the comment section if you like this video. Links I'll paste in the description box. If you are new to my channel and also if you like this particular video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back in my next video. Till then, bye bye.